Meaning of hydrochlorofluorocarbon.
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 Hydrochlorofluorocarbon. Hydrochlorofluorocarbons, or HCFCs for short, are chemical compounds containing hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, and carbon atoms. They have been used as refrigerants and solvents in various applications, but they have also been found to be detrimental to the environment, contributing to the depletion of the ozone layer and climate change. For this reason, the use of HCFCs is being phased out in many countries, in favor of more environmentally friendly alternatives such as HFCs and natural refrigerants. Overall, HCFCs are a type of synthetic compound that have negative consequences for the environment.